planning a trip to Mexico, but only know how to say hola and taco? Don't worry, we have you covered.
Come on, Karina, teach us the real stuff, like how to order a margarita or maybe a cerveza.
Well, and how to go to the bathroom, that's #1 priority.
I'm Karina, your Spanish local amiga. And today I'm teaching my favorite couple, Randy and Lisa, how to survive and thrive with just a few Spanish phrases.
We promise to try our best.
Well, I guarantee when we're done, if we can't speak Spanish, we can definitely speak Spanglish.
Well, let's do it. So these are the basic phrases you need to know. Hello in Spanish is hola. Good morning, buenos días. Good afternoon, buenas tardes. And good night, buenas noches.
All right, this is the biggest question I have because I know a little bit about this. But when do you quit saying buenos dias and when do you start saying buenas tardes?
After 12 p.m.
Okay.
Like more than 12 p.m., it's buenas tardes.
When do you quit saying buenas tardes and when do you start saying buenas noches?
When the sun is out.
Oh,
When the sun is out, then you say buenas noches. That
Okay.
is good night.
okay. And how do you say goodbye?
Goodbye is adios.
Okay.
So try this now. Hola, buenos días.
Hola, buenos dias.
Hola, buenos dias.
That's perfect. You're ready to go. Now let's make sure you don't starve. Here
We
is-
like to eat.
Yeah, here's how you order food and drinks. So when you are hungry, you say tengo hambre. And if you want to say I'd like something, you say quisiera. Water.
Yeah, like quinceanera?
Shorter.
Shorter.
Quisiera.
Quisiera. Okay.
And water is agua.
I know that
We
one.
got our
I
one.
got that
Good.
one down.
And beer is
Cerveza.
uh,
Like Tommy Iverson says, uno más cerveza, por favor,
Margarita. Oh,
señorita.
so yeah. Well,
So how would you order in Spanish a margarita?
una más cerveza, por favor.
Oh, that's cerveza.
How una más
beer.
margarita. Por favor. Yeah.
Perfect. That's cool. And you, Randy, how would you say that you are hungry?
Oh, I would say, tengo hambre.
Perfect.
Ooh,
Well, we're getting there. All right. Let's talk about to get around when you are in Mexico. If you remember just one phrase today, it's ¿Dónde está?
¿Dónde está?
¿Dónde está? What does it mean?
It means where is.
Where
So
is.
it's super helpful to use it right. You can use it like a little building block. Just add what you're looking to it after it.
Okay, so can I say, ¿Dónde está baño?
Yes, that's perfect. That means where is the bathroom?
¿Dónde está beach? But
Yes.
how do you say beach in
Playa.
Spanish?
Playa.
Playa. ¿Dónde está playa?
See? What about the hotel?
It would say ¿Dónde está el hotel?
El hotel. Okay.
Okay, so it's masculine.
It's masculine. And for
Okay.
bonus point, you can always show your bracelet
Yeah.
or show your key, and that will also help
Okay.
people knowing what you are.
So you can say, ¿Dónde está el Royal?
Yes.
Yeah,
Perfect.
okay,
That's
okay.
perfect. Or even you can ask things for the taxi. ¿Dónde está la tienda? ¿Dónde está the pharmacy? Would be la farmacia.
La farmacia.
So ¿dónde está? Where it is.
Yeah.
Ah, very cool.
A lot of words are kind of the same. You know, like pharmacy.
Pharmacy,
That's
pharmacy.
kind
Yeah,
of
yeah.
the same. So sometimes people can understand.
If you're shopping for souvenirs, here is what you would say. How much is this? Means in Spanish, ¿cuánto cuesta esto?
Ooh, that one's tough for me.
¿Cuánto cuesta
esto?
esto? ¿Cuánto cuesta esto?
¿Cuánto cuesta esto?
¿Cuánto cuesta esto?
We are
I've
getting
got the
there. We're
Texas,
getting there. Yeah,
Texas
yeah.
accent. It's hard.
So, the one word that the shop owner hates to hear is este muy caro.
Exactly. That means it's too expensive. When
Okay.
something is too expensive, you say está muy caro. If you want to know if the place where you are paying accept credit cards, you would say it aceptan tarjetas de crédito.
Aceptan tarjeta de crédito.
Yes, that's
Accepten tarjeta del crédito.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, in Spanglish, I would just say, plástico.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what he said. Plastico.
It works. It
Yeah,
works.
yeah.
That sounds like a local, actually.
That's funny.
If you want something, you just say, lo voy a llevar. I will take it.
La voy a
Say it again.
Lo voy a llevar. I will take
La
it.
voy a llevar.
llevar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or I want this. Quiero esto.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
Yeah.
easier, I think. Quiero esto.
Yeah.
But if I say
am I supposed to
it's
hold up?
1,000
pesos, what would you reply?
1,000 pesos.
1,000 pesos.
Sí.
Is it 1,000 pesos? What would you say? Está muy caro.
Oh, muy caro.
Muy
Sí.
caro.
Okay.
Or you can just say muy caro.
I'm a little slow.
Muy caro.
Yeah. You're better at this
You're
than me.
doing great. You're
Yeah.
doing great. If you don't understand something, you say,
No entiendo.
no
No
entiendo.
entiendo.
Good, you're not beginners.
I'm gonna be
You're
saying
not
no
beginners.
entiendo a lot.
Entiendo. If you need any help, instead of saying in English, can you help me? You can say, ¿puedes ayudarme?
Oh, that one's hard.
Puerta ayudarme.
Ayudarme. Ajá.
Puerta
Ayudane.
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 Or you can start with this one.
Oh, I like
Instead
this
of
one.
saying, do you speak English? You
Habla
just ask.
inglés.
Habla
Yes,
inglés.
I know that one. That one's an easy one. No entiendo, pero lo entiendo. So I don't understand. Yeah.
But you
okay.
are trying.
But you're trying.
Trying.
Yeah.
I might have to just go to Google.
Yeah.
But
well, both of you are
I would like
getting
to
an A+.
learn some. He's got a head start though. He's done Duolingo.
I've done Duolingo. I've worked on the freight docks.
Yeah.
I've worked in the feed mill.
You know more than me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And of course, out on construction sites in the younger days.
Yeah.
But it's
So-
always good to know a little
Yes, it
refresh
is.
before traveling and
And I think the people, like the employees, I think they love to help you
yes.
get it right. Because whenever we try to speak Spanish, they will like try to help us get the pronunciation right
Yeah.
and get the wording right. So I think
Yeah.
that's a good conversation starter with them.
Yes.
Now,
Yeah.
correct me if I'm wrong, because if I want to ask somebody how to say something, I say, ¿Qué dice español?
¿Cómo se dice? That's what you want to say.
Say it again.
Like, ¿cómo se dice?
¿Cómo se dice?
Ajá.
Like, how do you say this?
Yes. It's ¿cómo
So,
se
¿cómo
dice?
le dice español?
Yeah, or ¿cómo se dice water? And
Sí.
they will tell you agua.
Bueno,
Let me
¿Cómo
tell
se
you one
dice?
I think we know. Popote.
Popote.
Yeah. Straw, right?
That's right. Yeah,
Popote.
perfect.
Yeah, I know a couple of words. Agua and popote and yellow for ice. And yeah.
And most of the people will speak English, but just saying a few phrases goes along the way.
yeah.
Like
yeah.
it's really nice to see that you're trying to speak.
Well, and it's
in
respectful of
Spanish,
their culture.
of course.
And when somebody asks me how I'm doing, I say muy bien. Y
Right.
tú? Y tú means
tú,
and
yeah,
you.
and you.
But actually, if they've already asked me, that's pretty dumb to say y tú because then we go back and forth. But yeah. So
But it looks like you're trying.
yes. This will really
But
help.
with a few phrases about food, drink,
Yeah.
services, where things are, you know what?
Yeah.
You can get around in any it's about any hotel,
Yeah.
any market. But most people speak English anyhow.
Yeah.
But out of respect, you should always try to learn their language.
Yeah, in the destinations that we travel to, typically they speak English. But like Randy really always wants to learn.
Oh, got to.
Always.
You
wants
got
to
to.
learn.
It
Yeah.
always helps.
And if you want your next vacation to be as fun and easy and stress-free as this lesson,
Well, let the Getaway Travel help you plan that next getaway for sure.
Of course, we speak English, Spanish, and vacation. So contact us to book your dream getaway to Mexico or to anywhere else.
now let's watch this next video about how to get around in the Cancun airport.